Nature. Nature is where we are all connected with. Every species on Earth is connected with nature and its elements. Nature always believes in giving, not taking. Healthy animal plays a critical role in the health of humans and our planet. Animals require proper nutritious food for their body maintenance, production, reproduction and efficiency. But according to some studies, animals are not fed proper nutritious food they require. If these things occur, nutrition requirements of animals and humans cannot be fulfilled. So, here is the solution. Introducing Preventos Animal Feed Supplement. Preventos is the world's unique platform where prevention comes with productivity. We entered into the feed supplement products with true balance of nature science into the territory of animals. The regular use of our products has converted our dairy farmers to produce maximum output with their animals. With the experience of 30+ years in natural ingredients, we work together with constant research, dedication and innovation to deliver 100% natural and well-designed products to meet our customers' expectations. Our feed supplement products are rich in essential nutrients, which are regarded in modern veterinary health curative system. We came up with a unique solution that feed supplements products would be available with cost-effectiveness, safe to use, long-time tested, balance in nutrition with the taste and flavor loved by animals. Our products become the useful alternative to modern animal health care system. Currently, Preventos caters to unique various range of products to different animals like cows, buffaloes, poultry, horses, pets, fishes and pigs. ISB 20 helps in increasing milk yield, helps to remove uterine discharge, enhances milk quality, optimizes the milk fat, improves digestion, improves energy in animals, non-hormonal and non-steroidal, prevents from mastitis issue. MIC 200, reducing the stress and increases the energy in animal, non-hormonal and non-steroidal, optimizes the milk fat, improves digestion, keeps animal healthy, increases milk yield in indigenous cattle. Fat Add helps in increasing the milk yield and optimizes the milk fat and also persistency of lactation and productive life of animal. PGP 30 helps in increasing the growth rates and overall efficiency of the animals. Prevocal helps in increasing the milk yield, strong bones and cartilages and lactation period. PNA 24. Here is the end of the search for the solution against antibiotic. After AI helps in increasing the conception rate. Preventos to be evaluated by all our animal health customers as a trusted, satisfactory and innovative solution provider company for their needs and against the challenges comes during their animal husbandry business. Today, a health seeker veterinarian prefers Preventos products not only in India but also in several different parts of the world. We want to create a better everyday healthy life for animals. Preventos. We treat the animal the way we want it to be treated.